I wanted to share a little street photography trip that I took along with my family that you'll see in and out throughout the video, and a few shots that I got together with everybody. And this is in Tsukiji Fish Market in Tokyo. Unfortunately, they've moved all the fish sales and that part of it to Toyosu. So mainly due to too many tourists sort of getting in the way of actual business. But still, the streets are very busy, active. You can see a lot of different things going on. Hi, this is Josh, and welcome to Shizen Style. Photography-wise, it's interesting. I started with my 85. I like to shoot 85 millimeter for street photography a lot of the times, but especially in this area, it's sort of compact and you're going from tight little alleyways down to, bright open areas. But I decided to stick with my Sony 24 millimeter prime. And this was allowing me to get a wider scene. I was also able to play around with the aperture a lot more, and sometimes it didn't work out. My background was a little too blown out of focus, so but it's all part of exploring, and exploring this area of Tokyo is really interesting. of fun to capture this part of Japanese culture, this famous fish market, and seeing all the buying and selling between the fish markets and all different kinds of people. Hope you enjoyed exploring Tsukiji Fish Market with me, and if you had any favorite photos, any that particularly stuck out to you, please let me know down in the comments. And if you're interested in photography and Japan and Japanese aesthetics, please have a look through some of my other playlists.